JW Space Telescope is back in the news after taking a breathtaking new picture of Uranus. The new close-up of Uranus, also known as a Belfie according to a cursory search of UrbanDictionary.com, will help scientists study Uranus, which many are saying has been neglected for way too long. There's a lot we just don't know about Uranus. For instance, is Uranus as huge as they say it is? And what does it smell like? We know it's far from where the sun shines, but how dark is Uranus really? Also, why is it circled by those faint rings of debris? Also, this just in, it's now pronounced Uranus. Speaking of Uranus, scientists have captured the largest explosion ever recorded. The cosmic fireball, which scientists believe was a gas cloud hundreds of times as large as our own solar system, was apparently set off by a black hole, resulting in an explosion thousands of times larger than our sun. Michael Bay has released a statement denying any involvement. Scientists say the explosion lasted over 3 years, which is 2.999999 years longer than my record. In political news, this solar system-sized explosion has conservatives demanding we blow up our own solar system as a show of force. And finally, AI is not just for killing all humans anymore. An AI-created mathematical formula has stumbled upon a new way of measuring galaxy clusters, which are literally just a bunch of galaxies clustered together, and are technically speaking the largest things in the universe. The new method of measuring the size of galaxy clusters should be more accurate than the old method, putting the galaxy cluster into a bathtub and measuring the water it displaces. Galaxy clusters are notoriously difficult to measure, partly because they're so big that before the tape measure gets to the other side, it goes tink and it collapses like a wet noodle, and then you have to press the button and it goes. Just how big are galaxy clusters? Galaxy clusters are so big, when they sit around the house, they literally sit around all extant houses. In fact, galaxy clusters are so big that when they step on a scale, it says, only one galaxy cluster at a time, please. Galaxy clusters are actually so big that when they haul ass, they have to take like a quintillion trips. Incidentally, we don't know the exact age of any galaxy clusters, but we do know they're very old. In fact, some galaxy clusters are so old, Moses owes them money. And preliminary evidence is suggesting that your galaxy cluster is so old, its birth certificate is written in Roman numerals.